Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Alice Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, goal setting, journaling, mental health and awareness, and my story. Today I'd love to welcome you to my minimalist fall decor video featuring plants, textures, and textiles. I like to keep my decor pretty minimal and more natural, and to me, natural in decor means plants and textures. We like to keep an awesome memories jar. On New Year's Day, we always have brunch together and go through all of the memories. Here's where the texture and textile comes in. This is a Ukrainian ruchnik. It's an embroidered table runner that I got from my mother-in-law, and I just absolutely love it. We have a lot of these and love to decorate with the boho embroidered look in our home. And you'll see Ukrainian pops of textures and patterns all throughout our home. I really like having twinkle light and candles that are on LED timers. Here I've decorated a full-length mirror with a little bit of greenery, and this is one of my favorite plants in the apartment. This is a pothos plant. It's also known as devil's ivy. This is a plant propagation station hoop that I made myself. I really love it. It hangs above my desk in my studio space. As you can see, more plants and more natural textures and elements, and of course the moon everywhere in our decor. Since I have so many plants, I used to have a really hard time taking care of them until I got this moisture meter. I'll have it linked down below so you can get one too. This has completely changed my plant mom game. I haven't killed a single plant since I got it, and I absolutely love it. So you just stick it in the soil to see what level the moisture is at, and you water or you don't water. And speaking of watering, this elephant watering can is from Amazon too, and I'll have that link down below. It just makes watering so much more fun and less of a chore. And whenever my cats see the elephant watering can and the moisture meter, they know that it's watering day, and they always like to come help. They're crazy. And the kitties Zoya and Elena have discovered something outside. It's probably a chipmunk. So with that, we'll leave you here. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.